ene dey opposing bi aye ade won so bi amachese ene ebenifo ne etitu ni timemufo nyina ebo na baso papa se ne dwumadia wodi ya na se ye de wo ye ne etwa yie papa wo be hia se wo mo maka no wo mo befa na wo mo den ediso na se wo mo besua ne nante ni ebie esa se saa ena aposifo enyina eya anka eno ebenam so ama law and order ai akoso ewo meyi mu papa be ma je se mpanifo no be hunu se wo bie ni wa obro eye emra no eso aha wo bie amro emra no eso na je se wo bie aye na ade a wo beye no frenchim se de be ya emra no enye den eni no esa se Ghana ha ye wo ya na se ye bibi memu ede mpanifo se MPs presidents ministers ne wo mo keka wo mo big position no enkwa ede ye hu wo mo ese ena mo musika enti no wo mo etimi ye ne wo mo epebia na suppose ni we de wa kire se wusiko enye wusiko wo no eyetimemfo na wo bo ho eban ne japade eno ti so wo yetimemu ni nkwa ede ena you are not above the law wo just wo mbromra no eso enti so ye MP wo ye hwane o eye den ya de ye common floor members eye no bi no anase de wo mu diso no wo se wo disu ebi the fact se wo hye eye wo manga na emra no ase enko a eno no na ebusuafo nipa wo bo eye yenua beme ya na posini ya baso amadodo na ababeka seyi National Democratic Congress communication team member di ede eye Elikem Kotoko wono ena chese wodi video photos bi eba beto abonten na chese abranti a woye postini se de wahwehwe no ho esi efa etie na ne dia ebetimi beto edwa Eugene na chese ye government officials yi ebie na wo mo etwemo na wo hwe se de na chese nipa yi wo over speeding na ebiem so traffic lights are wo abusing no na wa so ne car lights no traffic gators na SCCC so na chese reckless driving na wo driver no odru ne junction na ne barrier hono mo ane ne ho ano ga je ne se madam na se me patrosi form na de wo ye no kra de entwa yie wo mbro mra ne so enya de se wo bro eye emra ne so de biara eda na Elikem kitu ye ni Facebook post no say na wo cho eye ne nsem no na eno na nso man kofo so a comment ewo ase anu tini midi ni nyina eba beso na sana mekan Elikem post na mekan mo SM wo cha de herbal center ebodewro ede efrem nipa biara so yo bo so ye bema ayare etete wo adoctor for declare say yare we die omuntimi enso eye anu Bible ma yete say yendi eye ahabane fa na hahan no enye de ensa yare eno nti nyame ama ne nimbie ewo sa nyoma no ewo ede na nubuna ene hahan ene odidi nuduma ede na wo so wo say nipa no wa ye declare wo no bra na so ye enso na ene no emeretwetwe enkomo na wo yare no obetu ase ede ama eno ti fane number ewo screen no enso na ene no entwetwe enkomo na ye to Elikem ne nsem no enso I was saying, dear Ghana Police Service, I want to specially commend this police officer stationed at the checkpoint just after them at Timpoku Abdoso Bridge. His name, I am told, is Eugene. The driver of this government vehicle, a white pickup with registration number GV118Z, wasn't only driving reckless on the road but abusing traffic by using his traffic indicator lights and driving on the other side of the road facing oncoming vehicles. He was doing same till at the checkpoint when this bold police officer refused to allow him and pulled him over for questioning. We still have good police officers. We ene Elikem nen samwa wode ebebeto abonten a just wo hunu say the boss ni no aye no wa ya de pa eya o mo ma na hunu say ya wo aposifo papa ewo wo manu emu esan say driver ni say de na wo ye ne nyoma wo kwan so ede eba nyina na suppose ni timi nya kokodro timi gina no pa de na so timi esi ni wo form question no ewo denti a na wo drive in such a way pa edia na na hu be nya pa say ye bebo na baso pa ewo ni dwumadi a wo die no ehun na no na nam so amadodo na so de wo mo comment ebebeto ni post no asem na Louise Mauto Azuma edia wo de eba ye na wo de eto eja ese the law is working in only some parts of Ghana We all know the places where the lawlessness happens. The driver would have intimidated the police officer if it were to be some of the regions of Nososone Dia or they by when they say Ghana have more idea and run a year more by a year more me baby crabbing as I'm running a juma by a badu cromono dia and your bois and your beating case a quack say and your quiet to a year new Ediasha baby and one is a warm up petia and the sa and don't see Edo when they say yes some regions need ebidian driving in no campaign caposi no watia na ye no aye no baby and self atama chese wa posi ni no campaign juma asanso abono e de account se mra na eye juma dia na ye ka ne sana na ye ka ne se eye juma e wo baby na ye nua eye Tahiru Ahmed Ediode e boss me Allah bless the few police officers who are still working for the mother Ghana and not their stomach. Now, Kofi Esiama Men's Good Edward de Eba ye Eddie Busha for no watching say 10 petitioner what they kwako to mampeni enim. Now, Nensam no or saying, you see, not all of us are that bad as you guys think. The very few who are bad are those who are seen day in, day out. Forget those bad people come from you guys, and it's same as when you join the service. No matter who you were, will be erased. Your bad character will surely come out, like what we have been seeing. The bad guys came from you. Let's appreciate the officers who are protecting you a little more. The more you tarnish and condemn their image, the more they also reduce or less think of protecting we the citizen. And you might only come to understand this when you get into a problem, when your own people maybe are killing or attacking you, when these officers stand aloof in the name of we don't trust police. And no, Emma, yeah, Alicam ever responded to Kofi Esiama Eka said, I get you. I am sure you realize when praise is due, we give it and lambast if you don't do the best. And no and someone what they ever to a Amadu Dona Eka say I know and I'm so edia any man penny one share I want to and no ma say there be ya a kwanya na enka no mo fa so e de efa posifo no wo mo ebe nam so na wo mo pepa so mo bebo o mai eho eban no wo mo mom engina na mo manya se wo bi a na enua bi a na nipa bi ewo aban mu entina chese ye na protocol so afa no e de ebremu abusuafo wadwentwefa ensemi ho no so betimi de ababa to edwa too much in your comment section. I like your videos, not share all the social media platforms. So media and equia sikapa. That's an Ebesan Eddie Esha Ebi Makram.